We're here in Tupper Lake. Behind me is a 9-unit apartment building that we're building from the ground up. We have the opportunity to bring in some innovative wood products that really show that they can be used in the type of construction we're doing. So one here is mass timber, cross-laminated timber. It's using pine that's glued together, compressed, and it becomes the floor assemblies. This is a wood-based insulation product from Madison, Maine called Timber HP. It replaces fiberglass. Both of these are providing jobs for people in the forest industry and demand for both low-grade wood and for dimensional lumber.
Because this type of structure is primarily going to be built with light wood construction, like a typical home would, we felt that exploring that with CLTs as a floor system would be the right way to go. And then the use of another engineered wood product, glulam beams, throughout to hold up the CLT system. That seemed like a really economical way to frame from in terms of just the sheer volume of wood that we would use and the speed and efficiency of setting it all. We looked at insulation products that with the wood fiber insulation that's out there, knowing that that can achieve high R values. And it's probably one of the newer products to the market, so we're kind of excited to see that as a test model.
This building is giving us a chance to apply and demonstrate our values as an organization. And it's also giving us a chance to give experience to builders and designers working with these innovative wood products. Things like concrete and steel and other petroleum products, all of those have a high carbon footprint. And by using wood instead, we are minimizing the carbon footprint of the project, and we're also supporting the forest economy.
I immediately thought it would be great, especially in the North Country. Having all of these pre-manufactured floors show up on site, everything's made, cut to fit in a factory, I felt would really speed up our construction process. The general contractors can cut down on on-site labor, which is where most of the inefficiency and most of the product waste comes from.
Yesterday was our first day handling and setting those panels. In about 5 hours, we were able to set 2 full units. And once those are set, that's your ceiling, your insulation, your subfloor, everything's done. The major component in our pricing a lot of the times is labor. Once the time came to set these panels, everything was in order of how we're setting them. Honestly, so far, everything has been right on and just a huge time saver.
One of the other benefits is the carbon sequestration. It's a natural wood product, so it captures carbon from the atmosphere. And the more we can use that in our buildings, the better. So it's win-win in that respect. I see the industry trends for these products really moving forward. We have another project that's going to start construction where we're using glulams and CLTs again after doing it here. The contractors love to work with it. With respect to the end user, I think the biggest benefit is the aesthetics. This product gets a beautiful, beautiful wood finish to the ceiling. We do a lot of custom home work in our area, and everybody up in this area wants that nice wood finish inside. And being able to do that with the actual structure of the product, it's way more beneficial. I think that people are really going to start gravitating toward this because it really has a beauty to it that's it's just quite simple and elegant.